You can earn $0.90 every 20 seconds on complete autopilot. Just set and forget. This is the make money online method that I'm going to show you that can make you 92 cents or almost $1 every 20 seconds of your time. So calculate yourself how much you can earn in 1 hour and how much you can earn per day. So without wasting any more of your time, this strategy is going to be awesome, really awesome. I'm going to show you two sites that we are going to use to make money, and the first one that I'm going to show is called Plug Coins. So this is the address, plugco.in. so this is the address, but it spells plug coin. So this is a really good app, but it's only for Apple iPhone. So Android lovers cannot use this. So simply, if you have an Apple iPhone, you just simply go to the App Store and install it, and you can go to work with that. So simply what this Plug Coin is all about. It's easily you can monetize your following with this app by using this app. What is the concept of this app? App developers all around the world want quick promotions to their app downloads, or they want to promote it. That's it, simple. They want to just advertise it. They want to get popular. They want to peoples to download their apps and use it, and more downloads they have, more business opportunity they will, and more money they are making. So they want to invest on advertising so that they can get popular. So these apps comes into that location. So if these apps attracts those business owners, app developers, to ask to promote their, so send their apps to this app which is called Plug Coin. And Plug Coin, what Plug Coin does is, it has a customer, it has a user base like us that we are using to get money and to earn money, and they want all the users of this type of apps to promote those apps to their social networks. That's it, a simple promotions. Advertiser going to pay us, and the end users of this Plug Coin app is going to promote these apps and earn some decent amount of money. So this is it, guys. This is a pure passive income. It's a one-time work, set and forget. I'm going to show you in this strategy. Just stay with me until the end of this video. I'm going to show you how it is a set and forget and pure passive and autopilot way to earn money online. So if you just go over to this website, you can see that this is the app, and they have lots of apps to promote, and you just simply choose an app to promote and post it to your social media accounts, any accounts you like, but they prefer Snapchat and Instagram, and also you can promote it on any way you like. But there is some requirement out there, but you can see that they're going to pay you like Plug Coin on every install. If on your promote, if anyone go through your link and install it or use it or just play it, and then you will get some Plug Coins, and at the end of the month you will get some handsome amount of Plug Coin that you can convert into cash. And that's it. That's how it is, and that's how you can make money with this. But how you can promote it? If you do not have social influences, if you're not a social big Instagram profile, if you do not have Instagram followers, how can you do that? But let me just be with me. I'm going to show you later, but this introduce you the second website which is similar to Plug Coin, and it works similar, and which is called Stacks Apps. Yes, this is a Stacks Apps, stacks.app. This is the website address, and you can see that they have both options of Android and Apple. So Android lovers, just go into these websites and go install these apps, and apps from App Store for Apple iPhone and Google Play Store for Android. And you can see this is a get paid to promote. And the similar type of site, simply you register with this app and choose as any apps you want to promote, and just simply post those apps as a promotion to your social networks like Snapchat, Instagram, TikTok, and share it. And when people get into you go through your links and install those apps, and you're going to make money. But I have a twist here. I can automate it. I can make it set and forget. I always told you it's a set and forget autopilot way. So how we can automate this process so that you do not have to worry about working every time. So simply one time work can make you lots of money. So we are going to use the third websites, that is a little bit like freelancing website. So this is called Latium.org. Yes, this is Latium.org. This is a really good and top tier freelancing websites. And if you can see that you can find your project freelancer in under 10 minutes. So why not use that? So if you just go over to SimilarWeb, you can see that how popular Latium is. It's getting like 700,000 monthly visitors. So this is a big crowd, and you can just target it. So what we are doing here, we are not going to work as a worker. Yeah, we are going to hire here. So how we are going to use, you just click, I want to hire, register there, and then click I want to hire. But what the catch here, if you just go over to their browsing sections, and if you just click on explore projects and click on instant hire projects, then it will show like this. And instant hire projects have some features like newest survey, but they also have app download sections. You can just simply click on app downloads on instant hire projects. You click on app downloads, this page is going to show up, and you can see that people are making making offers, job offers for app installs. Simple. You can see that download free apps, US only, download free apps gigs. People are opening this. This is a brand new concept. You can see that people are just simply 10 cents, 20 cents works. It's a simple app install work that you can just offer to customers, and when they install these apps, submit the offer and you pay the money. Simple is that. But what is the catch? If you just go over to any gigs, you can see that this is a 20-cent work. You just simply get instantly paid and download the app, and you just simply ask the user or job seekers to send screenshots that they have done the job, and you send them the money. Simply, you even do not have to send them. It's an automated process. Whenever you just simply put some budgets and you're good to go, it's an automated process. And when they install it, automatically you will get here like 92 cents, $1, even $2.75. You can see $2.75 per install, $2.5 per actions, 80 cents per installs. This is the opportunity, guys. Opportunity is limitless. You can use both of these apps and double your income. 92 cents per every 20 seconds. I just said it, but you can earn even more money in seconds. And it's all set and forget. All you have to do, simply go to latium.org, register, and register as a hire. I want to hire. Click on I want to hire and register, and post your jobs here. You're not posting to do jobs, you're posting your jobs to do by people. That's it. So how is going to share your link? You cannot just simply share the direct app installer link from plug coin or stacks. You simply need a medium. So how for example, in these gigs, this guy is using Linktree. Yes, this is the site Linktree. it's a link collection dashboard sites. It's simply one page. If you just register there, you will get one page like this, and you can just put all your affiliate links as a list here. So for example, this guy has a link for their gigs here. If you just click here, this is the link tree, and you can see that he posted all the apps that they need people to install, and that's it. It's a simple link page that you can promote to any social media, and nobody will complain about it. No social media will have any problem with the Linktree link. So simple and safe way to make money online. So you just click and you just create a similar gig like this, and Latium is getting more and more traffic, and very soon you will get more job applications done for you, and it's an automatic money. You just simply pay those users 10 to 20 cents per install per job done, and you are making like $1 at least per install. So it's like 80-90% profit for every work you do in seconds, and it's like a set and forget automatic process, and it's a complete autopilot process. Simply use Coin and Stacks apps, and you're good to go to make a decent amount of money every day and every month. This is an opportunity of a lifetime. So if you are liking this method, please hit the like button, and if you're not subscribed yet, please go down below, press the subscribe button with the notification bell, so you're always notified on my latest videos. See you in the next video. Till then, stay well, and thanks for watching.